Okay, we're running a bit of a scenario here. You can't see that. I haven't got a winch. So what we're doing is I'm bogged in this puddle and I need to get forward and Jase can't get round me. So we need to pull me forward. So we are gonna, like I said, scenario, we're gonna slingshot off of that tree. So I'm gonna call Jase up and we'll show you how to get out if your car hasn't got a winch and your mate does. Yeah, Jase, I'm bogged in the puddle, mate. Can you see if you can come up alongside me? I reckon you get up in the bush there somewhere. And there's a tree up there, we'll work off that.
Which tree are you going to go with, sir?
Maybe that one?
That one there?
I was going to go to this one, but I don't know how that one's going to go.
Nah, that one's the wrong angle.
Yeah, wrong angle on that one. Like I said, scenario. I haven't got a winch.
You got a D-shackle on you?
There's one at the base of the tree and the pulley block ready to go.
Sweet.
Pretty simple really. Snatch strap around the tree. One, acting as a tree protector, and two, it's going to give us a bit of elasticity to help ease the strain on the winch. Pulley block. So you pull that way and I come this way.
So what the snatch strap actually does, the winch loads it up, and once it gets a bit of load on it, it actually can help the winch retrieve the vehicle out. It's almost like you're slingshotting, so you're building up a bit of kinetic energy and then it's being released.
Crank it up, mate, and show everyone how much pull you'll actually get out of that.
Now just to show you how good it actually works, Simon will put that in neutral and do no drive on his truck.
Drag my truck out, buddy.
Any second now, she'll pop.
There she goes.
There she goes.
She's out. Just like that.
Just like that. And you'll see the snatch strap will then go back in. It'll stretch out again for the rear as it pulls the rear through. And there she goes. You can actually hear the winch. Might load up and then boom.
So if you're going out bush and you haven't got a winch, make sure your buddy has.